Hello, sir. Good evening.
Yeah, tell me. Shruti.
Uh, yeah, I'm Shruti.
Yeah, tell
Yesterday,
me.
I could not speak because of other guests. So I was hearing yesterday the class. It was very clear, but on and off, I missed few points.
Okay, tell me.
But I learned that by learning Python, the next level of Python is like Django, and frame. Next is framework.
Hmm.
Uh, uh, API.
Yes.
So that to that level, I'm clear.
Okay, okay, good.
So what I understood is first to learn anything in this line, we have to be perfect with Python.
Yes. Yes, that is what. I think yesterday you are there in classroom, right? Live.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, yeah. Okay,
Uh,
fine then. Any other queries about the yesterday's session?
uh,
Okay. Okay then.
actually,
Yeah, fine. I hope okay, good. No
do-
problem, Shruti.
yeah.
Okay. So I hope yesterday's session is clear
I'm
for you. Yesterday, just I explained about some of the some of the concepts from this full stack. In this I explained to you like what is Python, Django REST framework, and front end and back end technology I explained to you, and what is database also I explained to you. Okay, so any doubts in this to anybody? If no doubts, we'll go to the next to today. Can you respond in chat box, everyone? Is it clear to everyone? Okay, Shruti is okay. Remaining people? Okay. So can you confirm remaining people? Is it okay for you? The voice, my my voice, like Vaishnavi is there, and one more person, Matthew, Matthew Spencer. I think fine. So if you listen the today's session, then you will get some more clarity about this course, so that after that you can get a full clarity. And if you have any doubts, also you can ask me end of this session today. So as I explained in the last session, like Python is a programming language. So that is used to write the programs to develop the software or applications. And Django is a framework, is a Python's framework that is used to develop the web applications very easily and quickly. Next, whereas next Django REST framework, it is used to develop the APIs for the Django web applications. I explained very clearly what is API, okay, and what is the purpose of API. I explained very clearly with one diagram also. And so backend technologies, in this we are going to cover all these: Python, Django, REST framework, and database. So database is a storage area where we can store the application data. Okay, and front end technologies like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, React.js. So I covered all these in the last session. In case if anybody, in case if you want, you can also listen once again the recording session. You can have a recording session once again if you want, and so that you'll get a full clarity once again. Okay, fine then. So because maybe some people first time, sometimes some people may not get a clarity. So that so once if we go to the recordings, then we'll get a more clarity once again, right? Fine. So full stack Python or Python full stack means here we are going to cover all these. These are all combination is called here full stack. like Python, Django, Django REST framework, database, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and React.js. Okay, so exactly minimum these are required to say Python full stack web or Python full stack web technologies. So now if you know these, now we are ready to design the web application. Okay, right. Now let me explain to you Python real-time applications. Okay, so Python, we know what is Python, but in the real time, so where we use Python or what type of applications, what type of applications we can design using Python. Okay, means here I explain in this slide. So see, Python nowadays we are using in the AI and ML technology. AI stands for artificial intelligence, ML stands for machine learning. It is one of the most popular technology, leading technology right now. Okay, robotics related applications mostly we can design using this AML technology only. Right now, AI is anywhere, artificial intelligence is anywhere. Okay, so in this AML, we are using the Python or Python libraries or Python coding. Next, one more we have a technology data science. So data science also one of the most popular technology nowadays. So see why this data science means. See nowadays we are using the huge amount of the data because every person is using the mobile and laptops and some other devices, and every mobile in that we are using so many apps. Every person is maintaining so many apps. Every app contains again so much data, so much data. So we need to handle the data, we need to store the data, we need to do some different activities on the data, right? So to do some different activities on the data like data processing, data analysis. Okay, so like we have some different activities on the data. So for that we need to use one technology is called here data science. So this data science also require the Python programming and Python libraries. Okay. Next, IoT stands for Internet of Things. So it is also one more technology, leading technology, IoT. It stands for see Internet of Things means here the things which we can connect with the network. I mean with the network or internet, and we can operate them from anywhere. Just like Wi-Fi, for example. With the help of the Wi-Fi or with the help of the network, we're able to operate some of the electronic devices like, you can operate some, for example, ACs, refrigerators, TVs, maybe fans, okay, maybe lights. We can control, manage all these different types of electronic devices, okay, using with the help of the network or internet. That concept is called here Internet of Things. So in this IoT technology also, we are using the Python. Okay. So these are the most popular technologies nowadays. AI, ML, data science, and IoT. Along with that, so Python also supporting for web development. So if you want to go for web development, after Python, you have to learn what Django. That already we discussed. Django is what. So using Django, we can develop the web applications. So not only Django, there are some different other frameworks also available which are based on the Python, like Flask is there, Fast API is there. Okay, there are some other frameworks also available, but right now in our course we are learning what here Django because it's the most popular and commonly asked one. Many people will ask commonly Django here. So that is what web development. That is also one application of the Python. And next, voice assistants like Amazon Alexa devices. You know, right? Amazon Alexa device. You can instruct. I mean, with the help of these Amazon Alexa, we can give some instruction so that it is going to respond to you. So based on your input, right? So in this also we are using the Python only. Voice recognition or voice identification. Like in the mobile or Google homepage, you can see like voice over buttons, right? So the device is going to identify our voice. Okay. It's going to identify, it's going to record, it's going to respond. So for this also we have to design some what apps, or you have to do some coding. So that is also we can do using the Python. Next, we have a image recognition, like image passwords. Image passwords, for example, in the mobile or maybe in the laptops. Image passwords you can arrange, right? So for this also we use a Python. Next, so product recommendation in the e-commerce. Product recommendation in the e-commerce means, for example, uh, Amazon, for example. I want to purchase any product, for example, on mobile. I want to purchase, for example, on mobile, for example, Samsung mobile I want to purchase. So I am going to browse about the Samsung mobile in the Amazon app today. Then I'll close it. Next time when I open the app, maybe today or tomorrow, the app is going to suggest some more mobiles about the Samsung or any other company mobiles also take. How the app knows that you are looking for only mobiles? Because you previous day or previous you search about some such type of products. That's why it is suggesting you to next time also or next day also. So for this, we have to write some algorithms. So such type of algorithms also we can do using the Python. Next, Google Maps. Google Maps also we use here Python coding. Next, language translations like English to Hindi, English to Telugu. So for this also we need to write some coding. So we use a Python for that. Next, automated cars, or you can say driverless cars, or you can say self-drive cars. So there also we need some coding, we need some software. So for that we can take the help of the Python. And in the hospitals, like X-rays, CT scans, MRIs, and robotic surgery purpose also we use here Python. Okay. So in these all areas we use here Python. Okay, right. So these are the Python real-time applications. Next, let me discuss about the Django real-time applications. Okay, as we know that Django we can use for web development, but not only web development, Django we also can use for some other purpose, or we can design some other applications. So what are those? Let me explain you. So first one is web application that we know already. Next, along with this, Django also used for designing some web browsers. For example, Mozilla Firefox. Okay, so this Mozilla Firefox is designed using Django only, pure. Next, social media platforms, Instagram. This Instagram is designed using Django only. Okay. Next, stock market. Stock market related applications also we can do using the Django. Next, chart applications like customer support chart systems. Suppose if you see without any um, person interaction other side, we can communicate with system or some application like chatbots that you can see commonly in the WhatsApp also sometimes. Okay, suppose once if you say something hi or something, automatically you will receive the response also, but persons will not give the response to you. The program or the software itself only is going to generate the response to you based on your request. Okay, such type of chart applications also we can design using the Java. And live applications also we can design like live notifications, live streaming events, live gaming. Okay, and live data updates like live cricket scores. Okay, live cricket scores, live election results, like live activities also we can do. I mean, such type of programming also we can do. Such type of apps also we can design using the Django. Okay, so these are all are the Django real-time applications. See, not only web development, along with that, we also can do some other development or some other applications we can design using the Django. Next, React.js. So React.js real-time applications. So React.js already used in the Facebook, Instagram, Netflix, WhatsApp, Yahoo, Dropbox. Okay, that is a Dropbox means it's a cloud storage service to store your data in a cloud. Okay, just like a Google Drive. So in all these areas, we are using the React.js, the most popular one. Okay, so see all these applications we are using: Facebook, we are using Instagram, we are using Netflix, we are using. I hope you people know all these, right? I know to explain what are these all exactly, right? So you know very well about it. So in these all areas, we are using the React.js. Okay, next, see, once if you take this Python full stack, so you'll be having multiple advantages. Means with one Python full stack course, you can play the multi roles in the real time. Multi roles or multi developer roles. Means see here. So first AI ML developer. Once if we complete this Python full stack, but first three full stack not required, but after Python. So after Python, you can go for AML, data science, IoT. So after Python, you can, if you, if, for example, if you want additionally, if you want update, or if you want to go to this side, for example, then you can go to this like AML. If you, after Python, if you learn AML, then you are eligible for AML developer. After Python, if you go for data science, there are some different roles are there like data science developer, data science engineer, and data science analyst. Okay, like that. Then after Python, if you learn IoT, then you are eligible for IoT developers. Okay, like that. So remaining are our web development related, like front end or UI developer. So once if you once if you learn the like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, React.js, then you are eligible for front end or UI developer because these are all front end technologies. And Python backend web developer, one more role in the real time. So if you focus only on backend like Python, Django REST framework, and database, okay, then you are eligible for this role, Python backend web developer. And Python full stack web developer means you should know both front end and back end, both front end and back end. So depends on the role, you will be having the package with the companies. And separate, there is a JavaScript developer role is there. Separately, JavaScript developer. So most important one, JavaScript. At least suppose, sir, we are unable to learn all these Python full stack means okay, no problem. You can focus only on front end or back end or only JavaScript, for example. Okay, like that. There was different roles here. Okay, right. That you can choose after after completion of this course or depends on the company requirement. Then you can go according to your requirement. Okay, your requirement or maybe especially the company requirement. Sometimes company required only JavaScript developer. Okay, no problem. So you are perfect with Python full stack. So you are ready for JavaScript developer also. Okay, some companies will ask only React developer. Okay, no problem. Because already you learned React here. So you are eligible for React.js developer. Only backend, no problem. Only front end, no problem. Okay, like that. So companies will ask depends on the requirement here. And next, database administrator. So if you are perfect with the database, now database administrator, one more role is there. Okay, and separately there is a Python SQL combination jobs also available for you. Python SQL, it's the very easiest one. So JavaScript or Python plus SQL combination. Okay, so these are the most commonly asked roles in a real time. Companies will ask these roles. So that this is a very important slide. So once if you complete the Python full stack, you no need to change your what technology means. You no need to go for other technology. Maybe if you want, you can go for other technology, no problem. But whatever the skills you are learning here in this course, that will not waste. Okay, now that is what I'm telling you. So next, benefits. So if you take this Python full stack, so these are the benefits. From my side, I will give the classroom training, simple and easy way. And next, with real-time examples and more practical or more exercises we can do here. We will be having the topic wise, daily wise, or daily class wise assignments or tasks. Next, live hands-on coding. Here I am going to show every program in front of you. I am going to type line by line, no copy paste concept. That may be Python or Django or front end or back end or anything. I am going to type the programs in front of you. Okay, step by step, line by line, with neat explanation. Next, we'll be having the project workouts here. So projects for Python, projects for Django, so project for front end also. Okay, right. So, and next, additionally, so I will provide some tips to memorize or remember the concepts. Okay, because full stack means you will be having more and more content, but how to memorize this, how to practice, okay, how to note all these things, everything I am going to provide the guide to you. And then guidelines for your career also. Additionally, if you want, some people will ask some guidelines. Okay, so happily you can take any guidelines from my side or from our institution side. Next, we'll be having sometimes motivational speeches to make yourself positive and get success in your career also. Sometimes I'll talk, okay, some motivational, words that will impact you. So maybe sometimes 5 to maybe 6 minutes like that I'm going to talk. That is helpful for you. And some other benefits here is, so right now we are providing online and offline, but right now online only. So because right now I'm taking only online, but generally we'll take the online and also offline training both. In case if anybody have an interest offline also, let me know that. You can also inform to office people. Okay. And next, it's a total 6 months duration, but if you take the front end back end simultaneously, we can complete within less time only, maybe 4 months around. Generally, by default, 1 hour class will be there. But if I take the 2 hours class, front end, back end simultaneously, we can finish, around within 4 months only. That will see depends on our timing schedule. I mean, my timing schedule. I'm going to inform to you. But by default, very first time we are going to start with 1 hour. So next, later you should be ready to listen to maybe 2 hours also. Maybe one is front end, one is back end, like that. Maybe okay. One is means 1 hour front end, 1 hour back end, like that. Okay, next here limited students for the batch. Every batch here will be having limited students so that I can interact with you. I can ask some questions to you. You also can interact with me. Okay. Next here mock interviews will be conducted. If you are okay, the people who are having an interest to take the mock interviews, yes, we also can offer the mock interviews here so that you can get the perfection before attending the real interviews, so that you can get perfection perfection in these mock interviews. And next, resume preparations. Okay, here we will help you to prepare the resumes. And LinkedIn profiles creation. We are also guide you how to create your profiles like in job portals like LinkedIn. Next, weekly tasks. We'll be having weekly tasks on every Saturday. Generally, by default, Monday to Friday are the classes. Saturday, okay, I'm going to provide some tasks to you. Okay, maybe some other additional works. Mostly Saturday, no work, but additionally, I'm going to give some tasks or assignments to you. Maybe sometimes I may take Saturday also. That is depends on. We'll see that. Next, you'll be having the classroom. Class recordings. accessible for 1 year, so that you can also uh, listen the recording session maybe more than one time also. You can listen twice, thrice. Suppose if you are not catching for one time any topic, for example, no problem. You can also go for second time, maybe third time like that. That is very helpful for you. So recording sessions are available. So that is accessible for 1 year, so that you can watch them. You can watch them at any time, how many times you want. And then you'll be having the course completion certification. So Harsha Training will offer the certification for you, and you'll be having the 100% placement assistance. Okay, so 100% placement assistance is very important for you. So many people already from the Harsha Trainings and who have taken the training from my side also already placed in the companies. Okay, right, fine then. So this is what the benefits from the uh, Harsha Trainings. And previous slide is benefits from the my side as a trainer. Okay, right. Fine. So this is total about the Python and Python full stack is what exactly. I hope you got a clarity. And how I'm going to train to you also I explain to you. Okay. And also the roles. Once if you take this Python full stack, there are some different roles are there, so that you don't need to skip to some other technology. If you want, you can also learn additionally. But whatever the skills you are learning here, that will not be wasted. That point you have to remember. Fine. Right. So this is total about the Python full stack. Okay. So, uh, so exactly you are going to learn these in our Python full stack course. Right? Python, Django, Django REST framework, database, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and React.js. So clear, guys? Any queries in this? If anybody have any queries, please let me know that. You can unmute your mic and you can talk to me. Yeah, Shruti, you
Yeah,
can.
hello.
Yeah.
Yeah, as I said, I'm an architect by profession.
Okay.
So right now I'm looking for a career transition from architecture to AI as an AI developer, where I can serve even to my architecture fraternity.
Mhm.
So I'm searching for options. Then I came across this Python AI like this.
Okay.
So what I learned is, being an architect, I have zero knowledge about any computer language script. We never learned in our curriculum till now.
Okay. Okay.
Though I did masters. But what I learned is, yeah, we can learn Python with whatever the background it is. So
Mhm.
that is how I got motivated through some of my friends and uh, joined here to learn Python.
Okay.
And from your explanation now, you're saying that front end, back end may not be necessary for everybody. Uh, that depends on our interest to
Yes.
move
But
in
yeah,
the.
actually, it's a Python full stack web is one course.
Yeah.
Okay. So it actually, as you thought, it's not front end is not optional, because for the web developer, compulsory front end is required
Okay.
if you want to become a web developer. Because
Oh,
actually, this course is Python full stack web developer course only.
okay.
So that's why I tell you here front end is compulsory, back end is compulsory, database is compulsory. You cannot skip. But
Okay.
but the thing is, yes, in case suppose tomorrow, I said one slide now. I said one show. For example, here, okay, yeah,
Hmm.
yeah. So in this case, you can take some of things are optional here. For example, suppose if you go for Python plus SQL, in this case, okay, front end is not required. For example,
Sir, my basic doubt is,
yeah.
being an architect, what from your side, I need your suggestion that in which side I can Um, uh, Learn and serve both Python, work on Python as well as in architecture.
Hmm.
So that is my
But
basic doubt.
that architecture is different. I mean, that is different, right?
Yes.
So now, right now, are you doing the any coding?
No, nothing.
Yes. Yes, that is totally different. That's why I'm telling you. Right now, you're not doing in coding, but it is
Yes.
totally different. Towards the
Yes.
coding part, you are going to design your own applications, your own web applications.
Okay.
That is what the aim of this course, full stack.
I mean, on internet, I'm coming across through some AI generated interior designs, AI generated houses.
In this AI will not be covered. But I said after Python, if you have an interest, you can go for AI. That's why I said.
So that is
But
another
yeah,
level of
you can go.
specialization.
Yeah. Here in this course, AI will not be AI, data science, IoT. We don't care. I mean, we don't train here. I mean, I don't train here in this because it's not a course of AML or data science or IoT. It's a web
Okay.
development. But I said here after Python, you can go for this one also. I said additionally.
Oh, so will you be guiding us, sir? Other
Sorry.
than other than this Python full stack course, are you teaching even this AIML?
Maybe other
Yeah.
trainer is there. You can just take the
Huh,
help of
okay,
the
okay,
our office people. Okay.
okay, okay, okay,
But my side as a trainer, I'm a Venugopal. I will
okay,
take Python full stack web course.
okay,
As I said, this content I will cover. Which
okay,
content? Web
okay.
content. This one I will. This content I will cover.
Yeah, in these real-time applications, I have not come across about the application in construction industry. Right, sir?
Okay.
So I'm just being skeptical about to complete the course.
Mhm.
That what to learn, what to learn.
So right now you are working as an architect, right?
Yes,
Okay. So what is your requirement? You want to, if you want to see, that's what I'm telling you. If you
yes.
want to become a web developer or if you want to learn some coding knowledge, if you
Okay,
want say coding knowledge, it is a suitable.
okay,
That is what I want to tell you.
okay,
Along with architect, you can keep that knowledge, no problem.
okay,
So this is especially the people who want to go for coding side and who
hmm,
want to become like a web developer. For
hmm,
them, it's helpful.
okay,
And as I said, once if you complete this, you are eligible for these roles. Where is it? I said no. Where is it? The slide. I said no, some roles. Okay, this is what actually. Now you
okay,
can
okay,
complete. Okay, no?
okay, okay.
Any other queries?
I heard even about Azure and some cloud
Yes. We also have
computing.
just you can contact our people. Some other trainer is there for that. I think you have
Okay, so to do that, full stack is necessary, sir,
not required.
or just
That is
Python
separate.
is enough?
Python as for Azure, Python also not required.
Oh, okay,
For AML,
okay,
Python is required.
okay, understood. Okay, sir. Please continue. Thank you.
Any other? This is a contact number. You can just approach them. Okay.
Sure, 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 sure. Thank you. Yeah.
Any other? Any other people to talk? Okay then. So you can share the feedback of this demo, and if anybody have an interest, please you can approach this contact. You can inform to them. So based on the people response, then this batch will be continued. But right now only 3 people are there. So maybe we are going to conduct one more demo maybe. So if the people will, I mean, if the people are ready to take this course, then based on the count, then we are going to start the batch. Already there are 2 batches are going on right now. Okay, so and the next one more batch is there. I want to inform you in case if you are, I think that is after festival, Ugadi festival, 10 a.m. We are taking a one more demo batch in the morning session. That is, I think, 23rd. Okay, in case if you want in the morning time, 23rd Monday, March. 23rd Monday, March, 10 a.m. in the morning. So we are conducting the morning demo session. Okay, that is also will be continued. So that if in case if you are have an interest to listen the morning class, you can attend that morning class also. Okay, right. And then any other queries? Okay, then if no queries, so you can leave session, guys. Have a nice day. Thank you so much. Hare Krishna.